Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We see a little bit of downside here today. We already had an issue with this move to the upside. Oops, no, not like that. Here, the move that started on Thursday, because this was very much only a 3-wave structure. So without getting 5 waves, it is then usually quite likely to make another low here. However, not a problem because as I highlighted to you, the 1717 level is the key level for the current scenario. So it is very much possible that the move up here was a wave 1. This was an A wave, a B wave, and this is now a C wave. And there's a chance we come down to 1758 to 1717 into that region. The price doesn't have to go back that low. We certainly have support in this region here already, structural support, and typically what you can do if this is a so-called running flat where the C wave ends above the A wave, then it could be basically done. But we haven't seen so far any reliable bottom signal. Now, if we take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, then you can see it stopped here basically at the 1-to-1 ratio. 1781. I think this is a level we talked about in the previous video, but it could be that this is over here now. Now, I'm not telling you it will be. We need eventually a break above 1846 to confirm. That's the B wave high, but there's a chance it is. Yeah, but again, no impulsive price action yet. No 5-wave move to the upside. So that's what we ultimately need to confirm that this C wave is over. It could also go a little bit lower, then we would get an expanded flat pattern. Wouldn't be a problem. Support would then be at 1758, 1741 and 1717. We count the move up as a 5-wave move. The move down could become a 3-wave move, and then we will have all possibilities to rally in a 3rd wave into the $2,000 region. I can't really give you a target yet for that 3rd wave because it really depends on how low we go here in the wave 2. Now, I thought a little bit about, is there another possibility? And there is actually. Tried a few counts today. It could be that the wave 4 actually sat here or sits here. And this is the 5th wave. Yeah, that all of this was just a larger wave 1. Wave 4 cannot be here because then you have a 3-wave move up, but it is possible to have it here. And then the wave 4 would then be an Elliott wave triangle, but I would need to move the 3 here. And then we had an A wave down, a B wave up, an A wave down, B wave up, C wave down, D and E. It works, yeah, and then we could say the move up was finished here. Would that change anything? Not really. It would change the fib levels a little bit, but it doesn't really have an impact. So I'll just leave it where it is, just for practical reasons. Yeah, because it doesn't make a difference if I change it or not. It changes the support area by $4. That's pointless, right? So I just leave it where it is. But just that you know, there is another interpretation here, how it could work. But yeah, it all comes down to that 1717 level. What happens if that breaks? Well, even that wouldn't be too much of a problem. We would just simply morph into the next higher degree scenario, and we would have to reset this wave 2, okay? And we'd then have to assume wave 2 was finished here. Basically, it's this one. So A wave, B wave, and then the C wave down. And as you can see, there are still higher degree bullish scenarios which are possible if we lose support. And from that point of view, that's normally quite good because it's not like we are coming down, we've just had a bit of a rally and we're hovering above support. Actually, we've had quite a decent rally since November, and we've put a lot of support areas between the current price and, let's say, new bear market lows. So we've got this layered support structure, and that is going to protect Ethereum quite well from making new bear market lows. Now, cannot rule it out, but for now we're holding above support, and let's see if 1717 is holding. This is now a critical make or break point, and the bulls, if bulls are successful from here, we could easily go to $2,500 plus in the coming weeks or months. However, if they fail, they will fail here, because this is just below resistance. Yeah, we're just below a critical resistance area here around 1860. If it breaks above that, I think it's go time. Yeah, then it's go time, and then the FOMO wave will kick in. But obviously there is no guarantee, right? It's just all about probabilities, and as long as we're holding above 1717, we can launch directly from this wave structure here. Below that, we fall back to 1662, and then possibly all the way down to 1472 if 1662 is broken as well. All right, I hope you liked the update. That's my update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.